Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Winston here. I'm with Brandon and Dilip, and we're going to be doing a trade breakdown that we took today. It was a 1 to 7R take profit hit. So I'll just go through and show everyone my analysis. So this is this morning. This is at 8. It's when I get up to start trading. And there was some news this morning, so I didn't really trade at first. But what I noticed was this started to form right here, right? So at this point right here, I'm looking for a sell because price did not break above this. I guess you could call that a high, not really, but this high over here. And as of now, price breaks below this low. So we are looking for a sell, and there's liquidity right here on the left to the downside. So there's cause and effect, right? So price breaks down, and then I'm looking to get in right at this point, right? So I draw out my range at the top. I know that this is a confirmation entry. It might look like a risk entry at first, but it is a confirmation entry because we have a break of structure and we're following this pattern, right? Range, initiation, mitigation, and continuation, right? So this is the range. This is the mitigation right here. Sorry, this is the initiation, this downward spike, which broke structure because we're also going to be following price action. And then price is coming right back up here and we're going to look to take a short. So let's find out what happened. I got in this trade right at this point. So I have my 2 pip stop loss, right? And I am targeting a 1 to 7. Let me just get this drawn out. I had a sell limit right here, which I took on my FTMO challenge and also my real account too. So 2 trades in total. It was a 1 to 7 on the dot. Let me just get this drawn out. Sorry. There we go. Yeah. So this is what my limit order looked like. And Brandon and Dilip also took the same exact trade. So this is what's happening right here. This right here, and I talked to them, this looks like inducement to me because people see the sell, like sell before buy, right? That's what I'm saying. And people are like, all right, we're going to get in, put our stop loss right up here. Well, this is what happened. See, even right there, that was inducement too. If you're thinking from this point right here, people are thinking, okay, it's selling off, I should get in. Wait, and you'll see why. Boom, we get hit right in the trade right there. And this is what happens. So at this point right here, when it dropped down, I went to break even and price kind of played around a bit. And then boom. And this is currently where price is, but wicked out. And that, my friends, is a 1 to 7R trade. Now, I could easily see price like coming back from this point, maybe going up a little bit further to right here and then dropping. Like I could see that easily happening. But today we have some news and I just wanted to get in and out and share this trade with you guys. So Brandon or Dilip, do you guys want to say anything?
Yeah, no, I was gonna say when you said price is probably can come down too. Yeah, I'm looking at price going to a lower target.
Right.
If you go onto the 4 hour real quick, you can
Sure
you can actually see 4 hour on the
Oh, this is 1 hour, my bad.
Yeah, 4 hour. And then if you look down to zoom out a little bit, zoom out a slight bit actually. Yeah, no, you're perfect actually. So you can see that there's plenty of like liquidity down to the downside. Price needs to also prices to mitigate a block at the right around where we were originally
This block right here.
Yeah.
Right. So this is
barely
kind of, this can even be called inducement, in my opinion, this
yeah.
sequence of events from this week, because back in May, price has not come down to touch this block. I mean, it has kind of at the wicks, but not at like the core of the,
the core of the
that's
base.
actually great analysis, Brandon. Right here, if we're looking for something like that would be our range, right? Price really hasn't come down. It hasn't touched it at all, actually, because that's the move. This is the range right here that caused pretty much all this upside action to happen for, you know, 2 weeks, pretty much. And so that's great analysis. I could easily see it coming down.
Yeah, and that downwards action, you can see order flow towards the downside too on the 4 hour, and you could honestly take it as a 4 hour retracement for why those moves are happening between that we just caught.
Right.
And that price can either come down and mitigate the block and fly up again, or it can keep going down. So at the end of the day, it's just following price essentially, and not necessarily assuming where price is going to go, but just following it.
Yep. Yeah. Awesome. So anyways, guys, this was the trade we took, and the duration of the trade was about, let's see, 1 hour and 18 minutes, and we caught about 14 pips almost. Yeah, we did 14 pips. So that's nice. Risking 2 pips to make 14, and that is a 1 to 7. Again, just a textbook confirmation trade to the downside as soon. And what really gave it away for me, for anyone who's a bit confused, this break of structure right here indicates we are now moving to the downside, and there's liquidity, like even on this small time frame, there's liquidity right here. So I know there is probable cause. We're creating lower highs, right here. Price couldn't break above this high, so there's also a break of structure to the downside right there, and then price comes back, and then boom, we break that again, and then it comes back up. It barely breaks this high, but for me, it was a strong move to the downside. I figured this was going to be a great trade, and it worked out, like just wicked out, take profit, and that was what I was going for, a 1 to 7 on this one, right into the discount of this bottom range right here. So a little bit past it, but yeah, that's the analysis for this, guys. Any questions, please message me. I'll put my contact information in the comments, and yeah, have a good day. Thank you.